Election fever is rising in the Davangere South Assembly constituency. After the death of the sitting MLA Shamanur Shivashankarappa, a by-election is being held to fill the vacancy. The Shamanur family has made a mark in many fields including employment, education and industry. Shamanur Shivashankarappa, a former minister and MLA, worked tirelessly to develop the constituency for many decades. He earned the trust of people from all classes, castes and religions. Now, his grandson Samarth Shamanur has entered the competition as the Congress candidate following in his grandfather's footsteps. He aims to make the constituency a model of development. Initially, there was some confusion over ticket distribution. Senior Congress leader Sadhik Pailwan also wanted to contest, but at the last minute, leaders including Chief Minister Siddaramaiah and Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar persuaded him to withdraw. Sadhik Pailwan is now campaigning for Samarth Shamanur, boosting the candidate's support. Currently, the main competition is between the Congress and BJP candidates. Independent and other party candidates are not playing any significant role in the contest, making it a direct fight. With his family's legacy, party support and growing public backing, Samarth Shamanur is emerging as a strong contender in the Davangere South by-election.